Hey everybody, welcome back to Trial and Error. And the pond project's pretty well wrapped up, but you'll see I poured myself a little foundation here with the wire sticking out. So we need a lamp post to go on that. And what I want to do is have it match the lights that are on the garage there. We've also got some on the house. I'm going to attempt to make a lamp because I love lamp.
I love lamp. I love lamp.
Steel's pretty expensive, so I'm gonna try to grab some stuff out from out back and see if we can't make some of this work so we don't have to go buy anything. I got a lot of steel back here. Got some 3x3 that's really heavy. That is probably too heavy, but this 2x3, what do we got over there? What a freaking mess. All right, let me figure this out. Base plate, bolts down, access to wiring up here. I'll have to make a cover that goes over that, and then we're gonna weld our uprights up off of this piece. So it's not pretty right now. Actually, none of this is gonna be pretty. This is all gonna be really rough done because everything's gonna get ground down anyway. In fact, I might even go back to my old Lincoln flux core welder, just because there's no reason to spend money on gas when the welds are getting ground down anyway. Throw some heat wrap on there. I'm gonna have to do a final weld on that corner where the wire's running through. So I'm gonna throw a little heat tape on it and keep it away. And then we just won't weld it all in one shot. Just do a little bit, come back to a little bit, come back to a little bit. And that should protect it. Now, I do try to save power when I can, and running 4 bulbs in these is really more than we need. There's a lot of light up there already. This is really more of a style than it is a necessity. So I'm gonna take out the fixtures that are in this one and drop in 4 of those surface mount LEDs, which will draw a lot less juice. Made a base plate out of aluminum to cover up that wiring, and then while I was looking at it, I was thinking it'd be really cool to have an LED that would shine up from that center to reflect off the poles. So got one of those in there, a little adapter to knock it down to 12 volts, and then just cut myself off a little bit of this, which will sit on top of that. So you don't see the source of the light, you just get the reflection. But I think that's kind of a neat way to cap off the bottom. Fast forward a little bit. I got it primered, and I just threw the first coating on. I'm gonna bedline it because I bedline everything because it lasts. Did make another tweak. I really liked the contrast of the polished aluminum and the black. So up at the top here, I made a couple more aluminum panels that actually do 2 things. I think they look cool, but they'll also reflect that light back down where we want it and help protect our dark New Hampshire skies out here in the middle of the woods. So now we just have to wait for it to get dark to see how it looks. I really wonder about myself building stuff without a plan, but then every once in a while I build something kind of neat, and this is definitely neat. It's different. No one else has that as their walkway light. It's growing on me. I kind of do like it. The light down here is working out awesome. I really like the way it lights up the 2 main pieces. And then when you go right up to the reflectors up top, pretty cool. Looks great with the waterfall. I don't know. You know, sometimes just winging it works. I think this is one of those cases. And again, I like building stuff and knowing that I built it and that it's probably going to be there for a long time. And this is one of those situations. So, oh, I can see, oh, we have a frog in our pond. You can hear him. Got the wife up there watching TV. And yeah, so I guess, I mean, it's growing on me. I kind of like it. It's very different. It's very contemporary, but so is our house. So I'm gonna roll with it. I might do a few little tweaks to it, add a little detail here and there, but overall, I think it works for the house. So, as always, everybody, I really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, concerns, and or criticisms, make sure you throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, have a great night